Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to spot for the best gear reviews and camping essentials. Today, we're diving into the best RV leveling blocks stackable heavy, the Keltrion 12 packs camper and RV leveling blocks. Whether you're on the road full-time or just out for the weekend, keeping your RV level is crucial for comfort, safety, and the proper operation of appliances. So let's take a closer look. These Keltrion leveling blocks are built for serious campers. Designed with a heavy-duty mindset, the blocks feature an interlocking anti-slip design that ensures your RV or trailer remains steady even on soft, uneven terrain. Each block measures 8.5 by 8.5 inches and is 1.3 inches high, offering solid ground coverage and stability. One of the standout features here is the modular, customizable setup. You can stack the blocks in a 6+6 configuration for dual-wheel leveling, or go 3+3+3+3 for single or quad-wheel applications. This versatility means no matter what type of camper, trailer, or RV you're driving, the Keltrion blocks adapt to your setup with ease. Another big win: portability. These blocks come with a handy carry bag with sturdy handles, making it super easy to pack them up and bring them along. Plus, the bright gray color isn't just sleek, it improves visibility so you won't leave them behind at the campsite. From a safety standpoint, Keltrion has gone above and beyond. The anti-slip surface on the top of each block ensures your tires stay put, while the solid bottom design resists sinking into gravel or dirt. It's all about giving you a stable, level base, every single time. Made from high-performance polymer, these leveling blocks are built to last. They're strong, durable, and made to withstand heavy loads and the rough demands of RV travel. This isn't some flimsy plastic. We're talking about serious, rugged gear here. The ease of use can't be overstated. Whether you're a first-time RV owner or a seasoned traveler, the Keltrion blocks are quick to stack, easy to adjust, and effortless to store. They're a game-changer for anyone tired of eyeballing a level campsite or wrestling with wood planks. 12 leveling blocks, designed for up to 4 wheels, complete with a tough carry bag. Everything you need to keep your RV stable and your campsite stress-free. If you're looking for the best RV leveling blocks that are stackable, heavy-duty, and designed with real-world camping in mind, the Keltrion 12 pack is a top-tier pick. For more reviews and real-world product breakdowns, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and happy camping.